Munam Kremsonde, General Secretary, Karbi Anglong Cricketers Association, newly formed Cricketers Association of Karbi Anglong. And he is my brother. He is the official secretary of Karbi Anglong Cricketers Association, Gulsonde, and he is the treasurer of Karbi Anglong Cricketers Association and cricket secretary, Asa. So, more in user for him. Any question you can ask. So let's start. Press statement, 7 April 2023. Before the Karbi Anglong Cricketers Association came into being on the 14th of March 2023 under the leadership of Sabili Bey as the president and Premson Bey as general secretary, who were selected by the house of 15 different clubs, representatives of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, to promote cricket across the far and wide of the Twin Hill districts of Assam. The above-cited cricketing body shall only work for cricket activities in sync with the modern time, with India being the richest cricket pool in the world, and the women cricketers also started to have their field day in India. Means we Karbi Anglong must also time to wake up and assert to match the other parts of the country, which is not be easy though, but this can be done only if past and present cricketers, cricket lovers, and everyone come together to support each other seriously. Penai mage Women Premier League kota change lo, dak atiram trok teams trok do, dak masih patilo, lapen ke tangka mahat ilong, labahai players itu, arlo so players tuno, so players tuno, labangke itu kado beda thek promo, lang kuti se thek, ye thek share, atum lo bote, labang kado beda thek lo. Lasu apor holo bangke itu mayok mana puno kicok si kili diram dei ko bangke lagi kupai ta dulu sami ini tu bangke langsung si claim dun thek lang ini langsung si tum cerap pet tem du thek ini usi tum Karbi Anglong Cricketers Association tum ana bangke cricket ke pathu ning hang ba cricket ke pathu dam rang district pathu bong ke pathu tang tum noni lisong alang lisong itu district level pathu lo nilita level A BCCI coach patang lo alang ika son malo alang ika son sekian lo sini tum ining ke hang pen non puda pathulang itu tapi non week ni itu ham langsung si ajak pong konji adim aklong itu kon hekji mini masih kabo i apa thek thek ji lalo la so pansi itu West Karbi Anglong pen club ke thongang lo pen ke bokoyan mini si nang ada itu tu ta club drop tu pen si itu non Karbi Anglong Premier League bangke di pongko penak dik pen la su acik lu lo pini kon lo ar koi thang thiri jangi sikiap ani kan si pancengko iko ada puan asi kadu ko be near by organizing the inaugural Karbi Anglong Premier League 2023 from 9 to 25 April 2023. Karbi Anglong Premier League 2023 has 8 clubs altogether, 2 from West Karbi Anglong, 1 from Bukazan, and the rest 6 are from Ifu. Each team will play 1 match against each other, where all teams will have 7 matches each, with 3 playoffs and the final. Another encouraging aspects of the tournament is that, in spite of all the difficulty and time taking in pitch and ground preparations, we, the Karbi Anglong Cricketers Association, is hosting Karbi Anglong Premier League 2023 at 3 different venues: Bothat Langso Higher Secondary School Ground, Bothat Langso, Anjang Langso Sports Ground, Anjang Langso, and Difu Sports Complex, 6 Mile up Difu. The participating teams are Golden Citadel Difu, Jodhpur Chingu Stallions Difu, Kiruni Avengers Kiruni, Lightning Bolt Dongkamukam, Nok Bay Warriors, Bokojan, Royal Meridate Difu, Royal Rhinos Difu, Reunion Dark Base Difu, and a fixture is enclosed here. So this is all. Yes, Chudam Tang Hiri Kipi Arisia Mang Heglo, as West Karbi Anglong, apa yang Puna Karbi Anglong kan cium pen kado be clubs drop sido terang drop sido terang great drop do Assam Premier League, Assam APCC, Assam Premier Cricket Championship. Sudam tang asengkan lo pak peneng amat lo ada kecepatan tidun Karbi Anglong orang kita club great drop do tapi hubung masih itu meeting masih apa yang cinggal General Secretary Hindu Kamsinang Kilo dan Presiden Bangke Sabili Bey ku Bokoyan Sor Army Kilo penke tu alang i angge office secretary la pi sahau bulsum bit tu ke alang kasalang da cricket secretary la pen alang angge treasurer secretary sanjay timu angge lalu si amun piala bangke itu bangke kaprek asai lagi claim jigili cricket apa hang hang akhirnya turthi pen ini tum chini lo nol bangke India Bharat datang pi ke cricket ke kachini bang kawe ini tu kadu be chini politics when Bollywood ke hero kachini lo asomba men cricket ke isi ajak kong lo asu pen ke cricket ke turthi pen ke plan nai lo babang pen ke Indian Premier League along bangke nang liket hek pen ke nang lidak kupai kini kilongun tale